are the only people who dance with them face,
Yes.
them body, them
Yes.
soul.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I feel like it's a part of the culture.
You ever see the dancers where you see them face?
Yeah. And Africa too. Africans too, like folk, you have to have a...
It's a whole attitude.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
why I kind of watch some shows and see the dancers smiling.
Performing. While they're twerking.
No, we are... Jamaicans, we're different.
Or we're like, no, that's not it.
We're in it. We're down.
In it. That don't look like that face though. I'm not familiar. I don't think that's the context that we're going for, because that face don't look quite right.
We like the nice bubbly.
Welcome to Daytime Live, and it's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Dofton, you're coming through with a goal today.
Yeah, you know, statement piece is rocking again.
You look gorgeous. Yo,
Murder. That pink something, because you tricked me now, because what you had on before, I thought that's what you're going to wear. And you just come out here like a pink something, right?
Do you like it?
The bud little bit.
Neat designs.
Where are the shirts?
The shirts are coming. Because the ladies, you know, I got you. Valentine's Day, I got you. So I got the ladies. I don't know about the man's
Valentine's Day, lady, Nisha and got you. We're recovering from the COVID year.
Dofton got you too, don't worry.
I'll catch you 2022.
And guys, don't forget that to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, to see what Dofton is up to. Our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. But for Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to see like some of the dresses Nisha has worn before, you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. On a YouTube, search for Daytime Live TVJ. News time.
News time. We're buzzing.
Time.
We're buzzing.
Buzzing news.
Yeah, man, and this is a interesting, crazy one. So Larry King, the longtime CNN host who became an icon through his interviews with countless newsmakers and his sartorial sensibilities, has died. He was 87 years old.
Now, everybody knows Larry King, and he hosted his own show called Larry King Live, and this aired on CNN for over 25 years. Now, over this time, he interviewed presidential candidates, celebrities, athletes, movie stars, and even just everyday people. Well, he finally retired in 2010, and this was after taping over 6,000 episodes of his show.
Now, a statement was posted on his verified Facebook account announcing his passing. His son, Chance, confirmed King's death on Saturday morning.
King was ailing for some time, and in December, he was hospitalized at Cedars-Sinai. This was according to a source that was close to the family. You know, funny enough, when I hear of his passing, and some people are sad about it, his energy, I don't think he would have wanted anybody to be sad about his passing. I think he would be like, hey, go back and watch some of the stuff that I did.
Yeah.
That kind of energy is not like somebody would be like, oh my God, he's passing. He'd be like, hey, go see the stuff.
I will say one thing about this whole dispensation of time and energy and just happenstance is that you really are getting a better understanding of this thing called the circle of life.
Yes.
You're really beginning to sit with yourself, and your sense of, you know, mortality is definitely kind of there. When you're like, you know what, life really is a cycle. It's really about seizing the day, seizing opportunity. Because the wonderful thing, like you just said about Larry King, is he lives forever. I remember an interview with him and Seinfeld when he didn't get his name. Anyway, it was really funny. And, you know, you say you can go back and relive all this kind of stuff.
And his trademark shirt, tie, and suspenders.
He was witty. He had a fierce sense of humor. He was so sarcastic.
Very direct too.
Loved it.
Like he's gonna ask the questions that everybody wants to
with
ask.
A straight face. So, you know, rest in peace. And I also feel like he was 87. It was a good run,
but
good
live
solid.
Forever, live forever.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
So yeah.
Well, Dwayne Wade isn't just soaking up some sun and listening to reggae music in Jamaica, but he's also chowing down on some good food. You know, Nisha, go on top about.
So the former Miami, just run out. The former Miami Heat star is praising Jamaicans for the reception he has received whilst vacationing in Jamaica.
Now, Dwayne Wade, or D Wade as he's affectionately known, and his wife, Gabrielle Union Wade, spent the last week in Jamaica as they celebrated his 39th birthday. Now, in an interview with the Star, Wade said that this was his first time coming to the land of 876, and he was thinking about bringing his 39th birthday to somewhere special, and lo and behold, Jamaica, and he heard amazing things. That's why he got here.
So Dwayne Wade said that his experience has been great. He says Jamaica has often been portrayed as a violent destination due to its high rate of domestic murders. However, in spite of this, the destination has been one of the #1 in the world because of the friendliness and warm hospitality of Jamaicans.
The former NBA star said he felt safe and his family was treated very well during their stay. Now, this is his quote. He said his experience was great. Everyone treated his family and him just like they were an extension of their family. And they took care of them in a way that they felt protected, safe, and loved. And that people actually wanted them to be here.
But you know what?
Zaga.
We actually have a clip of his interview with the Star. Let's take a little look at this little clip here.
Everybody think Dumb River is just about the photos. Look at my feet.
So, yeah, let me tell you what I'm vibing. They came here, and sometimes some celebrities come here and they're concerned for their safety, so they kind of hide away in some little itch up somewhere, and but they really got involved with the culture. They got involved with the people. They're out and about, relatively speaking, and you really felt like they were experiencing Jamaica, not just the side that they cordoned off. You know what I'm saying? You know the people that come and like, I'm not really gonna mingle with the commoners.
You should pass to Kingston's there.
Daytime, like, I want to go, hello. But that's okay, because now they're so comfortable.
Yes.
And I'm really happy that they mentioned the domestic murders and stuff like that, and the fact that they felt so safe. Because a lot of people internationally, you tell them Kingston or certain places, and they're like,
Jamaica's portrayed like that.
Yeah.
Jamaica's is a portrayal of Jamaica.
Sometimes, some circles, yeah.
Yeah, it's a portrayal of Jamaica. And I'm happy that someone who has such a voice and such a presence and that platform to be able to say, hey, I went there, I enjoyed myself to the fullest, I'm going to go roll out. Let's go there. And as we speak of the portrayal of Jamaica, the next story.
This is an interesting one. So the United States has issued a level 3 travel advisory to its citizens traveling to Jamaica. Can you believe that? It said, and I quote, reconsider travel to Jamaica due to health and safety measures and COVID-related conditions. Now, the advisory, which was posted on the U.S. Embassy's website on Friday, stated that, can you believe?
Now, it added, exercise increased caution in Jamaica due to crime. Some areas have increased risk. The embassy said that the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that's the CDC, they issued a level 3 travel health notice for Jamaica due to COVID-19.
Now, the U.S. Embassy also advised that effective January the 26th, all airline passengers to the United States aged 2 years and older must provide a negative COVID-19 viral test result that was done within 3 calendar days of travel.
Alternatively, travelers to the U.S. may provide documentation from a licensed healthcare provider of having recovered from COVID-19 within 90 days preceding travel.
In addition to the U.S., Canada and the United Kingdom, which with the U.S. are Jamaica's largest sources for tourists, have announced protocols requiring all travelers to present negative COVID-19 tests before their arrival at their ports of entry.
The Jamaican government is in the process of stepping up its COVID-19 testing capacity to meet the new international requirements for travelers. I have one thing to say to this story.
Say it, Doctor.
It's hypocrisy.
It's also, not only is it hypocritical,
Yes.
I feel it's also that wonderful word, farcical. It's like, it's a farce. It's like, Doctor, now spell it. F-A-R, I don't remember. Me, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's farcical. It's kind of, I'm just like, are you kidding?
Come on.
Are you kidding?
Okay,
Jamaica,
you're talking
you
about,
bread,
try.
kettle, pot.
Kettle?
But I was going to say that there's no kettle.
You're talking about the dregs in the teacup versus the coal stove when they're on the fire outside.
But,
I mean, really and truly, you're talking about crime? The last time we stormed Garden House was...
wait, Doctor, do it again. 1, 3, 4, 5.
The last time we had like black people being attacked in the streets by law enforcement randomly was...
Or even white people being attacked in the street randomly.
Of course, we have
Or
our
just
issues.
random
We have our issues. The whole world is suffering from this COVID-19 issue.
Mm-hmm. But I will say Jamaica's response to COVID-19 has been better than most.
The second highest infection rate and deaths. Come on.
Come on.
Okay, if you're going to give us a level 3, what are you going to give yourself?
I agree.
A level 77. 70 times 7, like in the Bible.
Suddenly, why are you from India?
I don't know, but I just feel like...
Because I was like, America, Jamaica, England, India. But that's okay. I think you got the point across.
Yeah.
It's farcical and it's definitely hypocritical.
It's rough, though, when you're a third world country.
We get treated like...
Yeah, and because we're so
the bastard
reliant
children
on
of the
them,
globe.
We're so reliant on them.
Yes.
Then it's like they say stuff and we go...
Yes, master. Anywho, on that note,
you went to the M
Daytime
word.
Live will be right back. And guess what? We are talking with Scott Dunn, whose Gleaner article about prolonging the closure of the entertainment industry in Jamaica had social media ablaze on Sunday. We also have Andrea Dempster-Chung as well. They're both listening in. Can't wait to talk to them after the break. Hey, guys. Yes, they're there at the ready.